What's up guys? Today we're replacing the KeyFob battery. This is the KeyFob on our 2019 Mazda CX-5, but this is the same KeyFob you're going to have on most about 2014 to 2019 Mazda models. The 2020 model year KeyFob changed. Now, replacing this KeyFob battery is really simple. There's just a few tips and tricks you need to know that we'll go over now. So on the back of the key fob, there's this little switch. We push this down and then pull out this part, and that actually allows the key to pull out. So now we're left with this part, and we need to open this, and there's a battery inside. It's not very apparent what the easiest way to open it is, but all we need to do is take a flathead screwdriver, and I've just put some electrical tape on it to prevent from scratching this plastic. And right here, we've got a little groove here. And we're going to stick the tip of this flathead screwdriver in there and turn up. And that's loosened that side. Over here, the same thing. In there, and twist up, and now you can see the top and bottom part of the key fob are starting to separate. Now in the back part here, there's still two plastic clips, so in the side here we just need to help it a little bit. Stick it in there, twist it a little bit, and same on the other side. And now we've got that open. Remove this cover. And then we can pull out our CR2025 battery. A link to this will be in the description below. Here's our new battery. Put the new battery in. Cover back on. Snap the back part back on. Put the key back in. And we're done. Optionally, put your case back on. My wife's got this cute one. Link to this will be in the description below as well. And that's it. Our key fob is working again. Hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video.